Welcome to the men's dorm. This is the common area. We have pool tables. We have a ping pong table. Here is where the RA or resident assistant sits, and they help check people in. This is another common area that our male students get to use, male and female, if they have visitors. This is just primarily a male dorm. We have vending machines. So over here we have a full-size kitchen. We have seating area for students as well as the kitchen itself. And over on this side of the men's dorms, we have our baseball field as well as some more rooms. These are also suites, and they also share a bathroom as well. When getting inside the doors, we use a key code system. You might also be using a fob as well, but you can't just open these doors. We do keep them secure. Here's another view of the common area, the front door. Go up here, and this is our computer room. So students have the ability to print or use the computers, use internet up here in this room. Welcome to the Howard College men's dorms. So this is what a typical dorm room looks like. There's 2 desks, one for you and your roommate, 2 beds as well. Under each bed there is storage, and you also have storage above the bed. The bathroom's right there. You can bring mini fridges, and you also have a closet over here. One side's for you, and the other side is for your roommate. And you can decorate as well. We'll walk into the bathroom, and as you can see, There's another door. There's a shower and a toilet. But the other door means that you will be sharing with 2 other guys, not just you and your roommate. So it is a suite, so you will have to work that stuff out. Here we have the laundry room. We have 4 washers. And a whole lot more dryers. Laundry is included in your room and board at this moment in time. However, you do need to bring your own laundry detergent, soap, dryer sheets, fabric softener. You are going to have to bring that. That is not provided. And coming out of the laundry room, right here is our dorm advisor's office. Hi. So that's Melissa. She is our current one. In here we have a computer room. We have beanbag chairs over there that students can use. It is open to the 2nd floor, but students can come in here and they can print. Just like at the men's dorms, they can use the internet, they can take care of any needs on the computer. So this is one of our study rooms. We'll walk out this door. Over here we have a vending area, and there's a microwave and a sink. If you come over this way, this is our laundry area. So laundry is currently included with room and board. However, you must bring all of your laundry detergent. We do not provide that. But you do not have to bring rolls of quarters, so that's always a positive. This right here is the door to the 2nd floor, so you can go up to the 2nd floor that way. This is one of 4 hallways in the women's dorm. So back here we have a common area that students can utilize. There's a TV back here as well. We also have a kitchen. If you come over this way, there's a seating area for students using the kitchen. We have these long tables set up because we have what's called Mother's Kitchen to You, where we provide home-cooked meals for our students. Each wing gets fed one night for a specific week, and that's how we do that. But this is the kitchen. It's a full-size kitchen that our students can use. They just have to book a time. We don't provide the food in here, so make sure you have some. And we have a piano as well. The Coliseum is right next to the women's dorms, Dorothy Garrett Coliseum. This is our 2nd floor. These are all 4-person rooms. And we'll take you into a 4-person room as an example. But it's 4 girls to a room, and they all share a single bathroom. So we go out here. Here's the stairwell that we first saw. Here is the study room again. Like I said, it was open. We also have this study room right here. And this is our quiet study room. We have a whiteboard in here. We have desks students can use. There's also board games in here, but this one is just meant to be pretty distraction-free. So this is a 4-person room. The bathroom is over here. This is what it looks like. The shower and the commode are in there. Over here there's 2 closets, one for you, one for one of your roommates. So we have 2 beds right here, and they each have storage underneath them, and then there's also storage under this corner piece right here. Each girl has a desk, so there are 4 desks in this room, and both sides look exactly the same. So this is what the women's dorm looks like. So this is a 4-person room. So this is one of our suites. It has a similar floor plan to the men's dorm. Over here you have a closet, and this side is for you. And this side over here is for your roommate, or vice versa. There are 2 beds in each room, and a desk at the foot of each bed, as well as a little bookshelf. And then students usually bring in some kind of storage. You can bring in mini fridges, you can bring in just about everything, as long as it's on our approved list. There's a courtyard right here. Going back over this way, we have a single sink for this bathroom. And then we also have the actual bathroom portion that will be shared with this room right across the hall right here. And this is to your neighbor's room. Something that people might be kind of concerned about with living in a room that has a suite is whether or not they'll be able to lock the door. You do have a deadbolt that you can lock the door with, so no one can get in until you unlock it. And that's a 2-person room. This is the common area. They have a pool table over here. We have a ping pong table. And then over here we have a TV, common area, foosball table as well. We also have a food pantry for our students who might be in need.